Hey guys, welcome back to another video shared content brought to you by Flash Custom Transfers. And today I'm showing you guys about our new gift cards. Shelly is actually over there on the computer answering all your guys' emails, getting all the orders out so you guys can get them as soon as possible. We are working tirelessly. We are working endlessly. If you notice, we haven't actually put a video up recently because we've been doing a ton of things on the website. So we have a few new things that we want to introduce. And today, this video is going to be specifically just on gift cards. And that can be a long video. I'm going to make about 5 or 6 videos and they're all going to be about specific subjects. This one is about gift cards. So let's jump into the computer and let me show you guys how to go purchase your gift cards. Now, they're Christmas themed gift cards, but these gift cards will be available all year round. So if you ever want to gift anybody a DTF transfer or sublimation gang sheet or pre-made gang sheet or anything from the website, you will be able to do that with the Flash Custom Transfers gift cards. So let's go ahead, let's show you guys how to do that. So whenever we come in here to the computer, okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to flashcustomtransfers.com. You want to log in, or not log in, you actually want to just go to regular flashcustomtransfers.com. Right, when you get over here, you're gonna scroll down. Now we have some amazing sales. Remember, we got the brand new buy 5, get 1 free and buy 10, get 2 free. And that applies to all 3 of our transfer sizes, the 22 by 24, the 22 by 36, and the 22 by 60. So in fact, let me move over here so I can make this a little bigger right here. So once we do that, we wanna scroll down. And again, you know, delays could happen due to shipping. So we have the pre-made gang sheets, the medical gang sheets. These things are flying off the shelf, especially for Christmas time. Biggest gang sheet. And guys, so that you know, if you need these in rush options, you can get them printed next day and same day, but you gotta order before 10 a.m. So actually right now at the time of this video, I'm filming at 10:51. So you would have to order today and pay those extra rush shipping fees in order to get it printed tomorrow. But remember, we will be closed the 22nd. So we won't be printing, but we will still accept orders if you're not trying to do rush orders. So we got some new products here, right, with the new images, but let's scroll all the way down because we're talking about gift cards today. And you're gonna see right here, gift cards. Gift a friend or a family member a Flash Custom Transfers gift card. You're gonna hit buy gift card. Once this right here loads up, see, we have different templates. This right here is our traditional Flash Custom Transfers gift card template. If you want to use a different one, you just click over here and then you'll have different templates. And then here you can pick your amount. We have 10, 20, 25, and 50, or you can type in a custom amount. So that means if you know exactly how much a transfer costs after taxes and shipping, you can actually put in that amount and then give that, send that gift card over to whoever through email. So you're gonna put in from your name, your email, and then to that person's name, their email, and then send instantly, and then boom, it's gonna send it right to them. So once they get it, they will be able to come to the website and use whatever amount of money is on there. So just want to let you guys know that's where, and you can also include, add a personal message. I'm back. So that's how you go to flashcustomtransfers.com and you jump onto the website, you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you click buy a gift card. That's how you get gift cards for all your friends and family, anybody out there who wants to help support Flash Custom Transfers and gift. Right now is the time of giving. We're about to close out 2022. God willing, we make it to 2023. We made it another year. We want to say thank you guys for all the purchases and all the comments and just all the different conversations that we've had related to DTF. It has been a crazy year from when we started to where we're ending it, and we just can't wait to go into 2023. So please use these gift cards, pass them out to everybody, or send them to everybody so that they can try our product. And we appreciate everything. Stay tuned for the next video because like I said, today I'm dropping 4 or 5 videos all at once. So stay tuned for the next video when we talk about the the images that we have on the website now, the sports images, the bears are available. So just a bunch of other videos coming, guys. They'll be in the links in the description down below or probably at the end of this video somewhere. So, you know, my slogan, but please go to flashcustomtransfers.com, get your DTF transfers, sublimation transfers, and all that other stuff. All right, guys, be basic. Peace.